Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Bijay and in this video we are going to see what are visualizations, dashboards and reports. Let us just understand these things in just 2 minutes. So what exactly these things? If you'll see here, visualizations are nothing but the individual presentation visual elements like your table, chart or map like this. What are dashboards then? The dashboard is a collection of visualizations on a single page. I will show you in the, I will just show you by opening an existing report so that we'll get an understanding also. And then what are reports? Reports are nothing but collection of pages or the dashboards in a single file. Now let me open a report in Power BI desktop and then we will try to understand that. So if you'll see here, I have a demo on Power BI report and I just double click on that to open in Power BI desktop. I have already installed Power BI desktop in my local machine. This is the Windows 10 machine. And if you'll see here, now it is loading, everything is loading. So if you'll see here, the first one, this is a page, and in this page, only one visual element is there from this visualizations. And when it will a single visualization, then this time it is called as a visualization or only one visual is this one. But if there will be more than one visualizations in a single page. For example, if I'll go to the dashboard tab in the next page, then you can see here it has multiple things. So this is known as a dashboard. But if you'll check the complete things, I have various other pages as well. That means this report has 5 plus 3, 8 dashboards are there. And so when multiple dashboards, then it is known as a report. So I hope you got an understanding on what is exactly a visualization, a dashboard, and a report. So thanks for watching the video. And if you like our videos, then subscribe to our YouTube channel. First of all, you will get a lot of free videos on SharePoint, Power BI, Power Apps, SPFX. So all this Azure, all these technologies you will get. And below our website and Twitter and Facebook or LinkedIn details, you can get everything in the comment section of the video as well. Thank you and have a nice day.